Maharaj, you mentioned that all religions speak of the same truth. Then how come all religions appear so different?
You see, in essence, all religions are the same. Actually, there is only one religion. Religion actually is the means to understand God. Religion is the means to perceive or recognize another reality that exists beyond this material nature. So, when the religious teachers do not represent the religions properly, then the trouble starts. You see, religion is not faith. Religion actually is a science. Now, when you treat religion as a science, science means a means to understand certain topic, certain subject. So there is another reality that exists beyond this material nature. Now, religion is the means by which we can recognize or we can understand that reality. So just as physics is a means to understand energy, just as chemistry is a means to understand elements, just as mathematics is the means to understand numbers, similarly, religion is the means to understand the spiritual reality. Now, since physics is science, chemistry is science, mathematics is science, religion is science. But when it's not treated like a science, but treated as a faith, this is my faith and my faith is saying this, then the trouble starts. But you consider, when we treat it as a science, just like a physicist from Russia, a physicist from America, a physicist from China, they all can sit together and have a productive discussion through which they can benefit each other. Similarly, if religion is treated as a science, then all the religious leaders can sit together, irrespective of from which denomination or nomenclature or practice one is coming. They all can sit together and have a productive discussion. Then there won't be any problem. Then there won't be any difference between different religions. But the difference is because it's not treated as a science, it's treated as faith, and the faith is conflicting. And some religion that developed in the desert of Middle East, desert of Mid-Asia, just as some religion developed in jungles of Africa, and some religion developed in the middle of Europe. So they'll be conflicting because of their cultural difference. The practice is different, the faith has become different, and as a result of there is conflict. But that's why if we really want to see all the religions are united, then we must treat it as a science, not as a faith.